Hello makers! So, as you can probably see behind me, I still don't have a mural. It's still white. There's a very good reason for that. First reason is, not all the packages have arrived. And it's a bit disappointing because there's so little left. So this is what I'm going to do. I have the last 2 packages that I did receive last week. This should bring the tally to about 5 or 6 missing pieces. I did send those out to different people to send them, but they haven't arrived yet. It could be delayed because they're coming from the US. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open these 2. Then I'm going to grab all the pieces that I have. I'm going to see what's missing. And I'm going to print those myself as quickly as I possibly can. And then we'll put the mural together to show you guys how it's going to look like when it's complete. I'll do mine in a very special format. So if the parts arrive that are still missing, I can easily replace those. I'm also waiting for a sample of the wallpaper because I do want like a backdrop wallpaper first, and then I'll do the mural thing behind it, and it's gonna look awesome. I have this idea in my mind. It's just translating it into the actual thing. That's not gonna be easy, but I'll figure out a way. But first we're gonna open these 2 boxes. The first one is from Malta. This is from a buddy of mine here, who's been following me on the channel for quite some time. And when he found out that there were still some pieces which need to be resent, he actually contacted me and he told me, could you please send me one? I'm like, absolutely, I'd love to have a piece of Malta. So this is from Victor Shikluna. And we have a note which says, "Hi Joe, first of all, thank you for letting me participate in the Malta map mural. Am I the only Maltese that contributed to this mural? Inside you will find the 3D printed part number 129 of the mural. I think it's Gozo, and there is part of the George Cross." Oh yes, it's definitely Gozo. "I'm sorry the quality isn't that good, as it is very difficult for me to print YPLA in good quality. This is the 3rd and best print I could get, trying different settings and filaments, but I still get irregular corners. This part has been printed in Prima Value PLA 0.2 millimeters. I also did not send any typical sweets of my locality, as I'm pretty sure they are the same as what you find in a jar. And also, you used to live in Zurich. What I can do is offer to pay a meal at your favorite restaurant. In that case, Victor, it's Bari. Just here." So I send a 3D print. I did not send any sweets, but I still send you a self-addressed envelope with stamp and sticker. If I don't deserve it or you don't have a sticker, just steam off the stamp and reuse it. Thank you for the work you put in your videos for the 3D community. Victor. Yeah, of course I'll send you a sticker, dude. Okay. Hey. This looks fine. This looks really good. Perfect. We have another white part. I honestly think that almost all the white parts are here. So that's the first part. Second one is from the Netherlands. Ooh, Netherlands. Part of me wishes there's stroopwafels in here because I ran out yesterday. Wish granted. Stroopwafels, yay! "Hi Joe, hope this package reaches you in time. I included 2 parts, 1 PLA and 1 PG printed on the Prusa Mark III. Hope it's in the tone with the color you need. Also included some treats, Dutch stroopwafels and drop. Awesome. Like your videos and technical builds, still have to finish the spider. Keep up the good work and waiting the mural reveal. Still looking at what video format I want to do. 3D tech vids. Want to combine 3D printing with tech like Arduino RC stuff. Any tips on first project subject? Regards, Ron, Dutch 3D design." Ron, the only advice I can give you is do something fun. Do something you enjoy. Start small and just build up from there. If you can go big straight away, by all means go for it. But just something small. Cooking tests, drops, I think. But oh my god, I have stroopwafels again. I'm so happy I have one. I can go make a coffee now and have one. Self-addressed envelope. And we have the parts. So one's in PLA and one's in PETG, part 107, both white. Either are fine, either are perfect. Brilliant, thank you very much, Ron. So what I'm gonna do now is, I'm gonna grab my boxes full of parts for the mural. I'm gonna lay them out and see exactly all the numbers that are missing. And then I'm gonna start printing well, the parts that are missing. And yeah, stick around. And there you have it. The mural is finally complete. Well, almost. Actually, this is just the start, because while you guys have done all the work by sending all those parts and sending all the amazing gifts, I thank you very much. For the last 4 pieces, because there were 4 pieces remaining, not 3, I printed them myself for the time being, just until I get the whole mural in place, because I have a few ideas of what to do next. I'll do an episode or more episodes on the mural itself to see what the idea is, what I'm going to do behind me, how I'm going to hang it up. I can tell you it's going to include or involve glow-in-the-dark filament, LEDs, wood, and most importantly, coincidentally, yesterday I received this. This is the wallpaper that's going to go behind me. So I have a couple more rolls of this coming in, so I can just put that first. And we'll take it from there. Now for the last 4 pieces remaining, I will send an email to those that had not arrived. If they don't respond to me within 48 hours, what I'll do is I'll pass those on to my patrons, because there have been several of them that have asked me to participate. So I'll give them the benefit to take care of the last 4 pieces. That is it for today. I want to thank everyone, absolutely everyone who That is it for today. I want to thank each and every single one of you, that those who took part in this mural, who went out of your way to actually help me do this thing. The result turned out absolutely incredible, much better than I anticipated, and I can't wait to have it up behind me. Until the next time, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and as always, happy making, guys.